Remote-controlled, RC, helicopters have evolved into a thrilling and dynamic hobby that captivates enthusiasts of all ages. Among the vast array of RC aircraft, the best RC helicopters stand out as the pinnacle of innovation, performance, and sheer enjoyment. With advancements in technology and engineering, these miniature flying machines offer a mesmerizing blend of agility, stability, and precision control, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of remote-controlled aviation. In this brief exploration, we will delve into the exciting realm of the best RC helicopters, uncovering the top contenders that redefine the joy of flight. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best RC helicopters available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the RC helicopters mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Parkten F06 2.4G RC Helicopter. The Parkten F06 EC-135 2.4G RC helicopter is a remarkable aerial wonder designed for enthusiasts who crave exhilarating flight experiences. This 6-channel, 6G, capable helicopter boasts exceptional anti-wind abilities, making it a formidable outdoor performer. Powered by a reliable brushless motor and a 7.4V 500 mAh battery, it delivers a flight time of 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring extended airborne excitement. With a remote control range of 120 to 150 meters, it offers ample freedom for exploration. Crafted from durable metal and plastic, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. The Parkten F06 is an intermediate to expert-level helicopter, and it comes with a 30-day warranty for peace of mind. Get ready to conquer the skies with this versatile and thrilling RC helicopter. Number 4. F06 EC-135 Scaled RC Helicopter. Introducing the F06 EC-135 Scaled RC Helicopter by Brilliant Deer, an exciting and versatile remote-controlled aircraft designed for pilots of all skill levels. This 4-channel helicopter offers an impressive flight time of 10 to 20 minutes, making it perfect for extended indoor-outdoor adventures. The brush motor provides reliable power, while a 7.4V charging voltage ensures quick turnaround times, with a 60-minute charge. The Euro-stabilized design and one-click inverted flight feature add a layer of excitement to your flying experience. Crafted from a blend of metal, plastic, and carbon fiber, it's built for durability. With a remote control range of about 120 meters, you have the freedom to explore the skies. The F06 also includes a set of 4 soldier figures as a free gift. Get ready to take flight with this fantastic RC helicopter from Brilliant Deer. Number 3. Parkten F122.4G RC Helicopter. Experience the thrill of flight with the Parkten F122.4G RC Helicopter, a top-tier aerial marvel tailored for enthusiasts of all skill levels. This 6-channel helicopter features a 6-axis Euro and 3D 6G dual brushless motors, ensuring stability and agility during your outdoor adventures. With an impressive anti-wind ability, it defies gusts and breezes with ease. The lightweight design, at just 128G, provides nimble control, while the powerful 7.4V 500 mAh battery guarantees 5 to 10 minutes of flight time. Crafted from a blend of metal and plastic, it's both robust and durable. The F120 is perfect for beginners, intermediates, and experts alike, and it comes with a 30-day warranty for peace of mind. With a remote control range of 120 to 150 meters, it offers ample freedom for exploration. Elevate your RC helicopter experience with this exceptional Parkten model in Army Green. Number 2. WLtoys XK-V952.4G RC Helicopter. The WLtoys XK-V950K110S RC Helicopter is a high-performance 6-channel marvel that delivers an exhilarating flying experience for beginners and experts alike. Equipped with a powerful 1912-2830 kV brushless motor and a 3D 6G flybarless system, this outdoor-ready helicopter offers outstanding control and agility. The 11.1V 1500 mAh LiPo battery ensures a flight time of approximately 9 to 10 minutes, with a swift 50 to 60 minute recharge. Crafted from a combination of metal and plastic, it's built for durability. The WLtoys V950 comes with a 30-day warranty for peace of mind and offers a remote control range that allows you to explore the skies. With its sleek design and reliable performance, this RC helicopter is an ideal gift for remote control enthusiasts. Number 1. Goosky S1 Direct Drive RC Helicopter. Introducing the Goosky S1 RC Helicopter, a 6CH 3D stunt double brushless motor marvel that promises a thrilling flying experience for pilots of all skill levels. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this flybarless, direct-drive helicopter redefines the excitement of remote-controlled aviation. With an impressive 10-minute flight time and a rapid 30-minute charging time, it ensures extended airborne adventures. The brushless motor, powered by a 7.4V 300 mAh battery, offers outstanding performance and agility. Crafted from a robust combination of metal, plastic, and carbon fiber, it's built to withstand the rigors of flight. The Goosky S1 comes ready to go with a self-contained controller, offering a remote distance of up to 300 meters. With its sleek design and versatile capabilities, this RC helicopter makes for a fantastic gift for enthusiasts looking to experience the thrill of flight. In the world of remote-controlled aviation, the best RC helicopters redefine the boundaries of flight. Whether you're a novice or an experienced pilot, these marvels offer an exhilarating and versatile flying experience. With advanced technology, durability, and exceptional design, they bring the joy of aviation to enthusiasts of all ages. Embrace the skies, master aerial maneuvers, and embark on thrilling adventures with the best RC helicopters, a testament to the endless possibilities of controlled flight.